Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the exercise of e-commerce and e-governance chapter for 12th standard IT subject. So let us start with the first section, that is filling the blanks. So the first question here is e-commerce scope is. So basically the scope of e-commerce is totally global. So the answer is global here. Okay, now let us go for the second question. The customer can do shopping dash online using the type of e-commerce. So you can do the shopping 24/7. Okay, so that is the answer for here. So it's 24/7. You can write it like that also. Next is third one. The dash phase consists of order and delivery. So here you have four phases in the trade cycle. So basically the answer is execution phase. Under execution phase you have order and delivery. So next is e-wallet is a type of account in which a user can store his or her money for any further online transactions. So the answer is electronic card. So basically e-wallet, it works like an electronic card, so which is going to save your money. Okay, now fifth one is EDI is exchange of information. So basically EDI is what? It is an electronic data interchange, okay, which is going to help you to exchange the information. So that's all about EDI. Sixth one is the dash type of e-governance refers to the government services which enable citizens to get access to wide variety of public services. So as it is related to government and citizen, so it is a G2C type of governance. Okay, next is the e-governance which provides safe and secure interrelationship between domestic or foreign governments is dash. So this is basically G2G, because the government of one state is going to interact with the government of other state, and for in the case of international or foreign trade, the government of one country is going to interact with another country's government. So it is totally G2G service. Now next is true or false. So the first true or false is C2C type of e-commerce deals with business to customer. So this is totally wrong. C2C is going to deal with customer to customer. So the answer is false. Now let us go to the second part. The lack of personal touch can be disadvantage for many types of services and products in e-commerce. Yes. So this is true. You cannot see the products physically. You cannot take a feel of the product. So this is one of the major limitation you can say in the case of e-commerce. Let us go to the next. Checking the balance of an holiday is an example of G2C. No, it's an example of G2E. It's not the example of G2C, so it's false. Let us go further. E-commerce provides more options to compare and select the cheaper and better option. So this is true. On e-commerce you have several websites. You can go and check on all and you can select the cheapest amount. Next is m-commerce can be used through desktop computer. So no, m-commerce means mobile commerce. It can be used only through the wireless device. Your desktop computer is a wired device. So because of that it is false. Let us go further with the exercise number 3. So that is with MCQ's first option correct. So let us see the first question. Invoice and payments are included in dash phase of trade cycle. So here you have several options. So basically the invoice and payment is considered in your settlement phase. So we'll just write here settlement phase. Next is license renewal of is an example of dash e-governance. Basically you have to do the license renewal, then it will come under G2C type of government. Now we'll go further with MCQs with 2 correct options. So here the next part is MCQs with 2 correct options. So here we have the question like encryption consists of 2 processes, dash and dash. So in encryption we have encryption and we have the decryption thing. Okay, So these are the processes which are coming in under it. So we'll write here as encryption and decryption. Second one is social commerce is a subset of electronic commerce and that involves social media like dash and dash. So out of all these options, we have the best options of social media, that is Facebook and Instagram. So we'll just take it as Facebook and Instagram. So these are the social medias where you can do digital marketing in large amount. So let us go ahead with the next section, that is exercise number 5, that is your match the pairs. So here are the match the pairs. So let us go with the first match the pair. So the first one is m-commerce. So out of all these options, which will be the best suited for m-commerce? So basically the right answer for m-commerce is, just copy paste here. Okay, so basically the right answer for m-commerce will be the e-bill payments. Okay, you are doing the e-bill payments with the help of m-commerce. Okay, so second one is ciphertext. So ciphertext is a coded text which an ordinary person cannot understand. Okay, so it's a coded form of data. So that's the right answer. The third one is EDI. So EDI is what? It is an paperless exchange of data. So EDI is paperless exchange of data. Next is wholesaler to retailer. So wholesaler to retailer. So here you can write the answer as, what are the options here in the case of wholesaler to retailer? So basically in this case your answer will be business to business, that is B to B. Both of them are going to do business, they are not going to use it for their personal use. Then next is license renewal. Okay, so for license renewal, your answer will be G2C. Basically the citizens are going to go on the government portal for the renewal of the license. So next will be the online facilities of employee to take leave. So online facility to take a leave. Okay, so this is going to be G2E. Okay, it is going to be between government and the employee. After that, the last one, that is the seventh one, is government agencies share the same data. So government shares the data. So this is a slot of G2G. So this is all about the exercise which is related to your chapter number e-commerce and e-governance. All the answers are available here. You can get the answers of other parts also, means for other lessons also. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.